As a clinician, you know the importance of credentialing. It's essential to ensure you're properly enrolled with payers and maintaining your good standing with government agencies. But let's be honest, it's a tedious and complex task that takes away from the time you could be spending with your patients. That's where WRS Health comes in. Our credentialing services are designed to take the burden off your shoulders and give you more time to focus on patient care. Through our solutions, you can protect your revenue cycle by ensuring that you're properly onboarded with payers. Failure to do so can result in claim denials and increased aging, which can negatively impact your bottom line. You'll regain control of your day by having the freedom to spend time on building clinician-patient relationships and addressing higher priority items instead of document management and constant follow-ups. And the best part? You'll be able to maintain documents effortlessly. Say goodbye to worrying if a contract has expired or information is incorrect. Your dedicated account representative will safeguard your good standing with CAQH, payers, and government agencies. Don't let credentialing tasks take up your valuable time. Let WRS Health handle it for you. Visit our e-learning site to learn more about our brand new credentialing services.